Welcome to Petros Stone LLP, a leader in the natural stone industry. With decades of expertise, we are proud to be a trusted partner with contractors, designers, architects, and homeowners worldwide. In today's video, we'll explore how to select the ideal bathroom vanity top, addressing factors such as material choices, finishes, and potential challenges, along with how we at Petros Stone are going to assist you throughout the way. Importance for choosing the right vanity top. Selecting the right bathroom vanity top is essential, not just for aesthetics, but for functionality and durability. Your bathroom counter will face regular exposure to water, moisture, cleaning agents, and daily use. Whether you're looking for something modern, classic, or luxury, the right material will elevate your bathroom's design while ensuring low maintenance and longevity. Granite vanity top. Granite is a timeless natural stone that offers exceptional durability and visual appeal. Its striking patterns, from dramatic waving to subtle texture, adds an elegant touch to any bathroom. Prices. In India, it's Rs 150 to 400 per square foot, and in the USA, it's $18 to $45 per square meter. Why choose granite? Firstly, because its water resistance. Granite's natural composition resists moisture and water stains, making it perfect for bathrooms with high humidity, scratch, and heat resistance. Granite are extremely durable and can withstand scratch and heat, ideal for high-use areas like the bathroom. Common issues solved. With proper sealing, granite is highly resistant to water damage and stains, ensuring a long-lasting and pristine appearance. So now, the products we would highly recommend you are Viscon White Granite. Features a crisp white base with soft grey veinings, adding a clean and modern look. Absolute Black Granite offers a rich, sophisticated black surface that contrasts beautifully with lighter elements in the bathroom. River White Granite, a subtle blend of whites, greys, and beige, ideal for creating a serene, timeless bathroom design. Marble vanity top. Marble is the epitome of luxury, known for its sophisticated veining and elegant appearance. Its timeless beauty makes it a top choice for homeowners who seek refined and high-end look. Firstly, because of exquisite aesthetics. Each marble slab is unique and has a luxurious finish that complements both traditional and contemporary design. Natural veining. The distinct veining adds character, turning each slab into one-of-a-kind piece of art. Common issues solved. While marble requires maintenance in preventing stains and aging, choosing a honed or leathered finish minimizes the visibility of wear and makes cleaning easy. Some product suggestions we have for you are Indian White Carrara Marble, known for its bright white background with grey veins, ideal for achieving a clean and classic look. Statutorio Extra White Marble features bold, striking veins, perfect for creating a dramatic, high-impact vanity top. Rainforest Marble. For those seeking something bolder, this marble combines rich green tone with intricate patterns. Quartz vanity top. Engineered from natural quartz crystal, this material provides the aesthetic of stone with enhanced durability and minimal maintenance. Quartz offer endless design possibilities. That's perfect for a sleek and modern bathroom. Prices. In India, it's from Rs 300 to 900 per square foot, and in the USA, it's $40 to $90 per square meter. Why choose quartz? First, it's low maintenance. Quartz is non-porous, meaning it won't absorb moisture and stains and does not require sealing. Then is durability. It's highly resistant to scratches, chips, and stains. Quartz is ideal for high traffic areas. Common issues solved. Quartz resists discoloration from harsh cleaning agents and bathroom products, making it a hassle-free choice. Sparkle White Quartz, a pristine white quartz with a subtle shimmer, perfect for creating a sophisticated yet low-maintenance space. Calcutta Quartz, with its elegant marble-like veins, This material provides a look of high-end marble without the maintenance. Carrara Quartz offers a refined marble appearance with muted grey veins, ideal for achieving a timeless and modern look. Sintered Stone Vanity Top. Sintered stone is a revolutionary material that's created by fusing minerals at extreme temperatures to create a surface that's extremely durable, heat resistant, and non-porous. Prices: in India, it's Rs 400 to 800 per square foot, and in the USA, it's $80 to $150 per square meter. Why choose sintered stone? Firstly, because of its superior durability. This material is visually impervious to heat, scratches, and stains, ensuring a long-lasting surface. Non-porous and waterproof. Sintered stone's non-porous nature makes it resistant to water absorption and staining. That is ideal for bathrooms. Common issues solved. Sintered stone requires very little maintenance, making it an excellent choice for busy households. Products we would suggest you are Venato Sintered Stone. Mimics the appearance of marble with superior durability and stain resistance. Pietra de Luna Sintered Stone, a refined grey stone that enhances any modern or minimalist bathroom. Limestone Grey Sintered Stone offers a stylish and contemporary grey tone with intricate detailing. Porcelain Slab Vanity Top. Porcelain slab are crafted from high-quality ceramic materials, offering a modern aesthetic with an outstanding resistance to heat, moisture, and daily wear. Prices: in India, it's 250 rupees to 500 rupees per square foot, and in the USA, it's $30 to $70 per square meter. Why choose porcelain slab? Firstly, they are waterproof and heat resistant. Porcelain is naturally non-porous and can also handle high temperatures, making it perfect for bathroom. Lightweight and easy to handle. Compared to heavier natural stones, porcelain slabs are lighter and easy to install. Common issues solved. Porcelain's smooth surface prevents water and stains from penetrating, ensuring easy cleaning and maintenance. Calcutta Porcelain Slab features striking white veining with a luxurious look, ideal for an upscale bathroom design. Polaris White Porcelain Slab, a bright white surface with a modern feel, perfect for clean and minimalist bathrooms. Iron Grey Porcelain Slab, a bold, dark tone for a sleek and contemporary aesthetic. Why choose Petros Stone LLP? At Petros Stone, we understand that selecting the right material for your bathroom vanity top is a significant decision. With over 30 years of industry leadership, we provide more than just a premium material. We offer guidance and expertise throughout the selection process. Our team of stone experts works closely with you to understand your design vision, offer personalized recommendations, and ensure a seamless installation experience. Expert consultation. We provide in-depth advice based on your specific requirement and style preference. Wide selection. From classic stones like granite and marble to cutting-edge material like sintered stone and porcelain, we offer a vast array of options that cater to every design taste. Global reach. With a robust export network, we deliver our products worldwide, ensuring high-quality material are accessible for projects of all sizes. Visit Petros Stone LLP today to explore the entire collection on bathroom vanity tops. Also, discover why we are the trusted partner for homeowners, designers, and contractors globally. Contact us for consultation and let us help you bring your bathroom vision to real life.